Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're looking at one of the newest breakthroughs in AI infrastructure, the Model Context Protocol, also known as MCP. If you've ever wondered how AI systems can securely access tools, data, and software without custom integrations, then stay tuned. So, what exactly is MCP? MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It's an open standard that defines how AI models can interact with external systems, things like internal company databases, APIs, cloud services, or local applications. Think of MCP as the bridge between a language model and real-world tools. Without MCP, every company has to build its own custom connectors, special APIs, custom instructions, custom authentication, and lots of manual engineering. With MCP, instead of reinventing the wheel, the model communicates using a standard protocol. Let's look at why this matters. AI models are great at reasoning and generating text, but they don't automatically have access to company files, CRMS, data warehouses, internal dashboards, automation systems. To access those, developers often hard-code prompts or embed API logic manually. That's fragile and insecure. MCP simplifies this by standardizing how to request data, how to execute actions, how to authenticate, how to send structured information. From the model's perspective, MCP acts like a universal instruction layer. In simple terms, MCP works through three main parts: an AI client, providers, a standard message format. This could be something like ChatGPT or another model-based application. These expose external data or capabilities, e.g., a database provider, email provider, file access provider. MCP defines how requests and responses must look. It is very similar to how a browser speaks HTTP with a server. The browser doesn't need to know whether the server runs WordPress or custom code. Likewise, a model shouldn't need to know how your internal system is implemented. Here are real-world examples of MCP. A financial analyst asks AI, "Generate a weekly revenue report from SAP and visualize the trends." The model fetches data securely and executes the workflow. A project manager says, "Summarize yesterday's support tickets and send a Slack update." A developer wants to deploy code, test an API, or run workflows, all using standard commands. MCP might change how AI is used in companies because it enables secure access to real data, compliance and permission-based access, interoperability between tools, reusability. One provider works for any AI client, less custom engineering. It basically turns AI into a true operating system layer, able to operate software instead of just talking about it. So that's the Model Context Protocol in 3 minutes. It's the missing link between AI intelligence and real-world execution. If you want deeper technical deep dives, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.